This is the sixth and final video in a series about the Golden Gate cloning DNA assembly method. In previous videos, we learned how type 2S restriction enzymes allow one-pot, one-step assembly of Golden Gate parts. We also learned about the Golden Gate MoClo assembly standard and how this can be used to make standard parts and to assemble complete transcriptional units. We have already learned about the Golden Gate MoClo assembly standard shown here. In the last two videos, we learned how to make new level 0 standard parts and how to assemble standard parts into level 1 transcription units. In this video, we're going to learn how to assemble transcriptional units together in level 2 acceptors to make multigene constructs. Transcriptional units can be released from the level 1 backbone in which they were assembled with BPI1. There are several different level 1 acceptors, each differing in the 4 base pair overhangs produced by digestion with BPI1. These overhangs allow the level 1 transcriptional units to assemble together in a level 2 backbone in a defined order. Level 0 parts can be assembled into any level 1 acceptor. The choice of level 1 acceptor for any particular transcriptional unit depends on which position we want that transcriptional unit to be in the final multigene assembly. In this example, we have 3 transcriptional units. Along with our level 1 modules, we use a small end-linker module to join TTCA overhang at the end of the transcriptional unit in position 3 to the GGGC in the level 2 acceptor. There are several end linkers that will allow us to make 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 gene constructs in the same level 2 acceptor that will accept from TGCC to GGGA. Additionally, any transcriptional unit can be exchanged with a dummy module consisting of a handful of nucleotides so that a variant without any particular gene or genes can easily be made without having to reassemble standard parts into a different level 1 acceptor. It is also possible to assemble complete transcriptional units from level 1 into level M constructs. Level M constructs can themselves be assembled into level P constructs, and level P constructs can be reassembled back into level M constructs, allowing very large multigene assemblies to be made. This was the last of our videos about the Golden Gate cloning DNA assembly method. You can obtain the MoClo Golden Gate toolkit as well as 96 parts for plants from the non-profit plasmid repository AdGene by following these links.